Hello there, students. Hello there, learners. So, our today's topic is past continuous. So, let's get started.
Unit 12. Past continuous. Page 81. Listen and repeat. Then act out.
I saw a spider on my computer screen yesterday. What was a spider doing on your computer screen? It was making a website.
Okay, so past continuous geçmiş devam edici zaman to be'nin formasını, yəni was və plus fe'l ing olaraq hazırlanır. I was walking, I was not walking, I wasn't walking. Sual cümləsində isə to be'nin forması, yəni was və qabağa keçir və beləcə yaranır. Deməli, keçmiş zaman nə üçün istifadə olunur? Keçmiş davam edici zaman, deməli, keçmişdə baş verən hər hansı bir hadisəni aktiv formada, yəni davam etdiyini göstərir. Keçmişdə bunu çoxlu eləyirdilər. Bir müddət bunu elədi. Yəni məsəl üçün həmin işi 5 dəqiqə oldu. Daha sonra isə həmin iş bitir. We use the past continuous for an action which was in progress at a stated time in the past or two or more actions happening at the same time in the past. Həmçinin 2-3 dənə hadisə eyni vaxtda baş verirsə, onda yenə də past continuous istifadə edirik. We also use continuous for an actions which was in progress when another action is interrupted in. The action that interrupted it is in the past simple. Deməli, əgər iki hadisə baş verirsə və biri digərinə maneəçilik yaradırsa, onda maneəçilik yaradan keçmiş zamanda olmalıdır. Hansı ki maneəyə məruz qalan hadisə isə o davam edici formada olur. So, look at the pictures and what was happening when the lights went out. What was each person doing? So, let's check. So, Hakim and Amir were watching TV. Mom was speaking on the phone. Grandmother was eating a snack at the dinner table. Alicia was listening to music. Dad was sleeping on the sofa. So let's take another look. Oliver was at the camp last Wednesday. Look at his schedule. What was he doing at? Okay. So what was Oliver doing at 8:13 a.m. last Wednesday? He was walking in the mountains. What was Oliver doing at 12:45 p.m. last Wednesday? He was having lunch. What was Oliver doing at 4 p.m. last Wednesday? He was sleeping. What was Oliver doing at 7 p.m. last Wednesday? He was playing football. Okay. So let's check this one. Write the sentences using the prompts below. And the past continues. Okay. Rosella was cooking when she cut her finger. Action in progress interrupted by another. Lizzie and Nadia were playing basketball at 5 o'clock yesterday. Action in progress at the stated time in the past. Form questions using the past continuous as an example. Then answer the questions about yourself. Were you having lunch at 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon? No, I wasn't. I was playing with my dog. Were you talking on the phone at 8 o'clock yesterday evening? No, I wasn't. I was listening to music. Were you watching a DVD last Saturday morning? No, I wasn't. I was playing football. So, what's my lie? It is a game, so you can see the example from this game also. So let's check the another exercise. So here's a grammar also. Past continuous versus past simple. What's the difference between them? So we have talked that. Deməli biz danışmışıq ki, keçmiş davam edici zamanda hadisə keçmişdə aktiv formadadır, yəni gedir deyənə biz onu elə deyirik. Keçmiş zaman isə sadəcə hər hansı bir hadisə əvvəldə olub bitib, yəni onu göstərir. Underline the correct item. She bought a new dress last month. Greg was sleeping while Joanne was listening to her MP3 player. Mom was cooking dinner when someone knocked on the door. Sue was watering the flowers when it started to rain. They walked to school last Monday because there wasn't a bus. I was eating a sandwich while my parents were drinking. So put the words in the brackets in the past continuous or the past simple 6-1, exercise 6. I was studying for my English test when my mother came home from work. I was reading a book when my sister left for the cinema. Emma was washing the dishes when the telephone rang. I was writing an email when the lights went out. So let's check the second one. Put the verbs in a bracket in the past simple or the past continuous. Okay, you can see the right answers from here. Okay, so read the letter and write the missing words. Write one word on each line. So, dear Georgia, I was writing to you from my hotel room in Berlin. You can imagine what happened to me yesterday. I was walking in the mid at around noon when it started raining. As I was running back to the hotel, I saw the famous actor was eating in a restaurant. I went in and said hello, and he gave me 2 tickets to his new film. Isn't that great? That's all for now. See you when I come back. So, and last one, past continue. Speaking activity. So you need to just have your speaking activity with in pairs. So you can also write an activity. You can see the example from here. So that was our 12 unit. See you on the next video.